Easiest EU countries for seasonal work visas in 2026. These nations offer the simplest paths to working in Europe this season. Want a seasonal job in Europe? Easiest visas mean quick approval, clear requirements, and high demand for workers. Let's break it down country by country. Germany's agriculture sector always needs workers. Fruit harvesting and field jobs top the list. Big demand means high chances for seasonal visas. No German language test needed for most farm roles. Application is online, and approval is often quick if you have all documents. The Netherlands is famous for greenhouse work. From flowers to veggies, seasonal jobs are open most of the year, especially in spring and summer. Applying in the Netherlands? Make sure your employer sponsors you. Your work contract plus proof of housing are essential for approval. Sweden's berry picking season is short but busy. Farms look abroad for seasonal pickers, offering simple, direct application processes online. In Sweden, get your job contract first, then apply online. No Swedish required, but early applications fill faster, so act quickly. France's vineyards and farms welcome seasonal workers every year. Short-term grape picking and agricultural work are popular and in constant demand. France wants proof of a job offer and accommodation. Having return flight proof can also speed up your visa application review. Italy is a top choice for olive and fruit picking. There's a steady need for seasonal staff from September to November. For Italy, applying early is key. Submit all documents at once, especially your work contract and proof of local health insurance. Tip for all countries: polish your resume and apply to several jobs. Most recruiters want clear communication and quick replies. Each EU country has a unique process, but with the right documents, your chances look bright. Stay organized, opportunity is waiting. Ready for your seasonal work journey? Which country would you choose for 2026? Start planning now for your European adventure.